Hi, my name is Dyandria, and welcome again to The Real News. This program has been airing since 1997. For those of you who are watching it for the first time, and who are used to watching progressive television and listening to progressive radio, you already know, you've already been informed that our government is extremely corrupt. I love my country. I love my country with all of my heart. But I'm ashamed, terribly ashamed of this government. What many of those progressive radio programs and other alternative progressive television programs do not inform you of is the corruption within the anti-family court. I refer to it as anti-family court because, strangely enough, most of the players, the judges, lawyers, law guardians, many of them have identity problems. They don't even like families. They destroy families, and this is not accidental. I know this for a fact. I've been working behind the scenes for over 10 years. When I first learned this, I thought they were making mistakes. They're not making mistakes. This is deliberate. I'm going to have some very crucial players in this program. One of them, his name is Ronald Richter. He used to work for the Legal Aid Society Juvenile Division as an attorney, and because he gave a pedophile cop custody of the child, and because he was a participant in the conspiracy to not only cover up the rape and sodomy of this child, but he was a participant in the brainwashing of the child. He actually got the child to testify in court against her mother and sent her mother to jail. So in this clip, you will hear from children who have grown out of the system crying for your help in a short segment of a documentary entitled Breaking the Silence. You will hear from Mr. Lundy, an expert on the subject. He's also an author of many books. And you will see some of the players in New York City Manhattan Family Court involved in giving children to pedophiles. Lauren Meller, M-E-L-L-E-R. She works for the Administration for Children's Services, as does Ronald Richter. Both of them were directly involved in the particular case concerning the cop who raped and sodomized his daughter, and both of them did everything. They worked so diligently to get the cop off the hook. Here we have a photograph of Nellis Kim. So, on with the show.